Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to see how to send your local file on the remote server. Okay, but before we move to our practical friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, also please share our videos with your friends. So let's start and thank you. So friends, suppose I have here my Raspberry Pi machine. Okay, so I have my Raspberry Pi machine and I want to send some files on my remote machine. Okay, so I have here one is my Raspberry Pi 4 machine and another one is my Ubuntu machine. Okay, so this is what the Raspberry Pi 4 terminal, which is of course the local terminal, and this is what our remote machine terminal. So remote machine is basically the Ubuntu machine. Okay, so cat space slash etc slash os hyphen release. As you can see, this is what our Ubuntu machine, Ubuntu 20.10. Okay, on the, and this is what our Raspberry Pi machine. Okay, so I just want to send I have here one script, the hello.py script. Okay, as you can see, this is what our Python file, and I want to send this file on my Ubuntu machine. Okay, so for that, simply we need to know the IP address of our Ubuntu machine, also the username, also the destination where we want to send our file. Okay, so this is what our Ubuntu machine. So I am going to run the command first for knowing the IP address. If config, so IP address is 192.168.0.106. This is what our Ubuntu machine IP address. Okay, so we have now our IP address. Now we want to know the username. So username is Freedom Tech. As you can see, this is what the username, Freedom Tech. Okay, and where we want to send, I want to send here. So I'm going to run the command pwd and I want to send the file inside the slash home slash freedom tech. So we know the IP address, we know the user, we know the distance. Now we are ready. Open the Raspberry Pi terminal and we are going to send the file. So sudo, just a minute, first I am going to make clear screen. So sudo scp, this is what the command, sudo scp, then the file name. So file name is hello.py, this is what our file. And as I told you, now we are going to mention the username and the IP address. So username is Freedom Tech is the username at the rate 192.168.0.106. this is what our IP address. We are going to check, cross check. So yes, so 192.160.106 is the IP address. Then press colon, shift colon, and mention the path where we want to send on our remote machine. Okay, so slash home slash freedom tech, this is what the destination where we want to send our hello.py file on 192.160.106. this is what our host, and freedom tech is our username of our Ubuntu machine. Then simply hit enter, and now we want to enter the password of our freedom tech user. Okay, so mention the password and our file now sent on our Ubuntu machine. So on Ubuntu machine we are inside the pwd. As you can see, we are basically inside the slash home slash freedom tech. Okay, now run the ls command and we have our file. Here it is, hello.py. this is what our file. So this is the way, friends, you can send your local file to your remote server securely using scp command. Okay, so I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.